about how to import packages in our program. So, how to import packages in Java. Java has an import statement that allows you to import entire packages or use only certain classes and interface defined in the packages. So let's suppose if we have make a program or if we make a method in a different class of a different packages, and if we want to make that program or if we want to call that method, so how we can use it? We can call that method with the help of import packages. We just import the packages, and then only we can access those packages, classes or methods or anything or their members. So with the help of import packages, we are able to access, but only if that type of method have the public access specifier or default access specifier or protected, then only we can import that package or that methods. So the general form of import statement is import package name dot class name to import a certain class only, and for import the whole packages means that to import the whole classes inside that package, then we use import package name dot star. Star is considered as a whole. For example, import java.util.date. It imports only the date class which is under the util packages of the Java package. So if we want to import that class, then we can simply use java.util.date. But if we want to import all the classes inside the java.io packages, then what we do? We just write import java.io.star. So with the help of star, we can import the whole classes. The import statement is optional in Java. If you want to use class or interface from a certain packages, you can also use its fully qualified name, which includes its fully packaged hierarchy. So let's see the code, how we can implement the import in Java. The example how we implement the package or import the package. So first of all, we create a class package pack, and inside it we just create a class demo ex and then public void message, and then write the print hello inside the message and just save it. Here I again use the test ex class, and here what I do, here we import that package by using import pack.demox. Pack is the package name and demox is the class name. So by using the import statement, we are able to access the demox package functions in our program. And then class test x, and inside the main method we just write demo x object is equals to new demo x, and then call that object, that is obj.message. So we just save it and let's execute it. Zavak, first of all we just create the we just compile the demo.ex. So zavak -d space dot space demo ex.java. First of all, we compile the demo x, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's compile the test ex.java. Why we compile demo x? Because demo x is also a class, but it doesn't contain any main method. That's why we only compile it, not execute it. And for executing, we use test ex.java. And then it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Zavak mypack.txt test ex. See, it will print hello. So what happened here, when we use the obj.message, so it calls the demo x because we already use pack demo.x import, and then it calls it. Whatever, when we want to import the entire methods of demo ex, let's suppose there is another class in demo ex or another methods in demo ex, then what we do? Suppose we have to write here public void display. and inside the display method, here I write system.out.println. Inside this we just write hello world and just save it. If we want this method also, then how we can implement it? We can just write java pack dot star. By using this, we are able to execute or able to access all the classes inside the pack. And if I write obj.display, it also runs successfully. Just save it and let's execute it. First of all, we have to compile the demo X. Hence it compiles successfully. Then text ex. It also compiles successfully. Then let's execute it. Zivac my pack.txt. Pack is of demo class. We have to write java my pack.txt. See, it will give us the value hello and hello world both. So in this way, we can implement the import keyword in Java. Thank you.